Okay, so firstly we need to plug in the adapter to the plug. Then the system will on. As we can see on the LCD it shows the system is on. So solenoid is locked now and we cannot open the door. Then press star for key in the password. Is it 333? Then the solenoid will unlock, then we can open the door, and then after 5 seconds the buzzer will sound. For this situation is when the password is wrong. For example, we key in the wrong pin, then the LCD show the wrong pin and the buzzer will sound, and the solenoid cannot open and not unlock. So as we can see, this is all the component has been used for this project. So this is LCD, keypad, Arduino Uno, buzzer, potentiometer, relay, channel 1, relay 1 channel, solenoid. So I also use the extender to connect the wire. So firstly, for LCD, the pin for 11 until 14 we connect to Arduino Uno A5 until A2. Then pin 6 LCD connect to A1 Arduino, and pin 4 LCD I connect to A0 at Arduino. Then the first pin it go to the ground, and the third pin also go to the ground Arduino, and the second pin is go to the 5 volt at Arduino. So this extender go to 5 volt Arduino, and this extender used to connect to the Arduino Uno Vin, and this extender connect to ground Arduino Uno. So this relay for OM we connect to ground Arduino, and the positive buzzer we connect to the pin number 11 at Arduino, positive to 11. Then for the keypad, from pin number 1 until 8 has been connected to the Arduino from pin 2 until 8.